And welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna talk about, is the bull market over, man? What happened to Bitcoin?
Man,
What?
happy morning, happy evening. Hey everyone, ask your questions right now and give us a like and thumbs up, all right? Look, I my belief is, and I stated this many times, is that we are within a bull market still. Okay. I don't feel that this is invalidated by any way. I do think we have volatility, and I've talked about having volatility with our members. Okay. I told them, and this I told actually public. I wrote in public that I don't believe this Trump announcement, that I think it's just pure fluff. And we're in for a lot of volatility. And lo and behold, we had huge volatility because Trump only said something. There wasn't any real action behind the announcement. So initially, people bought in anticipation, okay? But later, when the market participants saw that that was merely an announcement, they sold, okay? So it was like a violent kind of a dead cat bounce. My views are still the same, CM. I still think that Trump will want to create in a creative way a continuous bull run. Okay, he doesn't want to be remembered as a president, that didn't brought a huge bull run for the world and for the United States. He wants that, but for that, he just needs liquidity. He needs the Fed to play ball with him. And right now, the Fed is not playing ball. The Fed with Jerome Powell is actually against Trump. They're trying to hinder him, to make his life difficult. So Trump is doing what Trump wants to do. He's creating a facade or a mirage of a potential recession. He's increasing tariffs. He is firing a lot of people. He is cutting the fraudulent payments of the United States. How do you call it? Social security. Those are supposedly in the trillions of dollars. So he's doing all of that, which is creating hardship in the United States, which might lead to a potential recession in expectancy that when the Fed sees that, because the Fed needs to avoid recession, that's the main job of the Fed, he will see that and he will start to play ball with Trump by reducing quantitative tightening, introducing again quantitative easing, and printing money. And that will be what I think a real great catalyst and what the crypto market really needs. And of course, if that will be compiled with a beautiful, um, let's call it, reserve of crypto, which might still happen, we don't know. That will be
Bro,
hypnotic.
what reserve, man? How can the US government, after this manipulation, that was an insane manipulation, really consider Bitcoin and the other scam coins, that pumped 60% on a Sunday and then on a Monday came back all the way down. And now this is a pump and dump scam market, man. No financial institute or someone that respect himself will call this shit a financial reserve or to be deserving.
He
Again,
just said that he
this
thinks
is
that's
disgusting,
what should be. He just said an announcement. Look, this
man.
is
This is
lo and behold the empire, CM. This is the empire Trump, and he will say whatever he wants to say, but eventually will act upon what he thinks is best. I don't think ADA and XRP and all those BS are going to be in the reserve. I think that maybe it will happen, and if it will happen, probably Bitcoin. I said many things, and for some reason you took only the
no,
reserve
I'm not. I'm
talk
not. I'm not
without
talking
talking
about you,
about.
man. I'm not talking about what you said. I don't. I don't. I don't talk about what you said. I'm just saying. Look at the market, man. Who gives a fuck about all the nonsense? Oh,
No
Trump,
one.
the Trump son, the Trump
I
uncle,
don't give. I don't listen.
the reserve, the Fed. It's all fluff, bluff, and fluff, man. You
Precisely what I said on Twitter.
you had a fake bounce, a fake filthy bounce manipulation, man. This is disgusting. Like, it looks like crypto now have a look that is a Ponzi scheme. All this market looks like a Ponzi scheme that's been like a doll, like a doll play. Oh, let's pump it. Oh, let's dump it. Oh, what is this, man? What is this? This is horrible, man. This is horrible for the
No, I get it.
space.
Look, the price action is horrible. I get it, but no, I don't get emotional about it. It is what it is, CM. We taking the trades. We've done our work. Everything is good. I mean, are you offended by the price action?
No, I don't understand people that talking about the reserve and all this garbage, and think about Bitcoin, crypto will go on amazing bull market in 2025. They living in fairy tales. Man, I flipped bullish for one day, then I came back to the bear. There is no man. This market is fucked, in my opinion. This market is fucked now. You need to be very, very careful. Again, maybe you're gonna get another rally, maybe, but now, man, after the last the price action is horrible, horrible, and I highly recommend people to be defensive and stop with the
Oh, for
nonsense
sure.
and
No, for
believing.
sure. I agree. We talked about being defensive many, many times. For
Oh
people
yeah,
that
for
don't
sure.
understand, people that don't understand volatility, and I don't trade upon the volatility. I literally wrote to my VIP, members that I'm not going to trade the volatility, and volatility is expected. Emil wants us to, to ask Trump to put it up. We're going to discuss that with him. Thank you very much. But CM, look, I know it looks like this is merely noise that's happening on a daily basis. Again, this emperor, I call him, he loves when he's all of the rage. He loves when people talk about him. That's his aim. Okay. I literally do not care about anything that is happening in the market. Will a reserve happen or not? I don't know. If it does, and there is a very slight, slim possibility it does, it will send the market. If it doesn't, which we have huge possibility and probability it won't happen, so it won't affect the market as much. My leniency is actually towards Trump wanting to force the Fed to cut rates and put more liquidity into the markets. And I think if that happens, then it will increase prices in the market. I do think that will happen because that is the game. That's the game. That's the game plan of Trump. You can see it by how he talks, how Basin talks, how all his administration talks. They want to be that people that ends war and creates a new prosperity worldwide. That's what they're saying, okay? And they do have the power to create the atmosphere, okay?
All right, all right. Let me show the audience some what happened yesterday. We talked about yesterday on the live, guys. We talked about the potential of bearish retest. We talked about many stuff yesterday. Make sure to subscribe, like it, and share it on your Twitter, guys. Click the bell. Okay, so look, Bitcoin broke bearish. Okay, you remember we broke bearish here. Okay, that was the bounce from the 200-day MA in the weekend. This was Saturday, and that was a Sunday candle. Okay, now we talked yesterday. We told you there is a chance this is a bearish retest. There is a chance, and now you see that it actually can be high probability of bearish retest. Again, it can still save the day if it can manage to hold here and maybe do it like a double bottom, filthy double bottom. But I don't know, man. This is not looking good for Bitcoin. And I also told you guys that I'm looking for a bull run, again, a bull run, a window of opportunity here if we can clear this level. Okay, if we can clear the 100,000, and stay above it, I would expect a major bull run into, March, April. But this did not happen yet. So, and we actually got a bearish retest. So for me, I just have to come back to the bear cave, because this price action is horrible. And remember, if it's now losing the 200-day and sweeping the lows, the recent lows around the 80K, we have a serious problem, guys. We have a serious problem, man. Serious problem, man.
Look, what you said about a retest, we talked about it yesterday, of course. We were expecting, that if that doesn't hold, we get rejected, we're going to get to continue down. And that's what happens, okay? That's what happened. And of course, we still have shorts opened and in the money, and we're good. We're happy campers, and we're trading the price action. Look, I didn't believe yesterday. Yesterday, we were actually, again, at different areas. You said that you're flipping bull a little bit. I told you that I'm not changing my stance. I'm actually thinking that we might find a bottom later. I think that there's a chance we didn't find a bottom. You're saying that we're actually a flipping bear again. I'm just thinking I'm still leaning towards the same kind of midterm thought, right? Of we might find a bottom between the 70 and the 80 somewhere, maybe sweep the 78 again, maybe actually retest, an old high. As long as I, feel that there is a high probability of liquidity injection due to the Trump administration, I feel that will happen. But I'm not trading. I'm not accumulating or something. People need to understand this because no, some people will listen to what I'm saying right now. Some people will listen to what I'm saying and they will try to they will try to imagine what I'm doing. I am not. I'm trading the price action right now. I'm short. I'm making money shorts beautifully. Me and my members, we are happy campers, right? And
guys,
and that's
disclaimer here, no one is accumulating nothing. If you think me or Jomo are accumulating in this insane market, you are insane. Okay, we are trading the price action. That's it. If it goes down, we go short. If it goes up, we go long. That's what you need to know. Okay, and we always use stops. Okay, so
always
if
we have risk management in mind. Huge
always.
risk management.
Now, fun guy, and this is exactly what I'm saying, man. This guy is saying Bitcoin has a shit value, should not be able to be so manipulated if it's called an asset. Yeah, exactly what I think, man. Imagine if they did this manipulation with the housing market. Really, yeah, man. This is exactly what I think a lot of people feel now about crypto. A lot of people feel about crypto. And I think people will start taking out their money off this market after this volatility that you're saying. And it is volatility, it's volatile, of course, but this is a manipulation now. Now there is people think, hey, what the fuck is going on? How can I put my 100K on Bitcoin or my 1 million on Bitcoin? Or not talk about, the scam coins, out there that being rugged, How can you do that when the president of the US is manipulating this market, from his Twitter account? Hey, up, hey, down, So for me, and that's what I'm feeling after yesterday, we have another bearish cloud about the market now. Remember, we have so many clouds. You have the Bybit, you have the failed, inauguration rally, whatever. Man, we have so much garbage, and now we had another,
another hit on the liver,
in the balls, man. Yeah, man.
That's funny. Many people. I'm actually telling people right now that it's all part of a big game that I try not to listen to. All right, for me, everything that is happening right now is kind of noise. But again, we anticipated this, right? We anticipated weakness. I've been talking, and you've been talking for weeks about this weakness since we couldn't hold the $100,000. So everything that is happening now is just to be expected, right? Nothing different under the sun just yet. No character change, no real, liquidity injections, no real, bills in Congress, nothing, all right? Nothing. So for me, I'm in the same shoes as I was a week ago, okay? Same shoes, making money on the short side until proven otherwise. That's it.
Fun guy, we just made a video yesterday about Stan Weinstein, okay? Stan Weinstein, he has a book called How to Profit in Bull and Bear Markets. This is the Bible or the Quran or the whatever, or the Playboy magazine you loved the most when you were a teenager, okay? Read that stuff, because this is a life-changing book, and join our community, man, because we're going to teach you how to apply this strategy into crypto. And we always teach it, and we're going to show you how to short crypto, and we're going to take care of you. Fun guy, you are our friend. You are in the family now, so really join the community, man. You have today, where is this? You have today 20% for March, man. Come on, man. It's about time to join the community. With the link, you have 20% off. By the way, everybody is invited to join the community, man. We have a community of traders, not lady boys like all the other, the Crypto Galaxy and the Crypto Archie and all these scammers, telling you to hold till 2027. Are you serious? You're going to hold what are you gonna hold? You don't want to be in their memberships because you're gonna get wrecked. You already wrecked. You already lost all your money. You want to be in a trading community that teach you how to short, teach you how to read markets, teach you the best trading philosophies and methods by the best traders ever in the world from the stock market. Mark Minervini, Stan Weinstein, William O'Neill, all these guys. We read their works and we teach it to our audience, man, to our VIPs. So really, definitely check our community, guys. And yeah, let's
For
continue
sure.
now.
And look, everything that we discuss here, we discuss prior with our community. We give them, trade ideas. We give them how to manage, their portfolios, their holdings, when to be in cash, when not to be in cash. We dive into a deeper alpha over there. And of course, if you are in our VIPs, we coach you as well one-on-one. We have calls and we have courses as well. CM built a beautiful, novice course. I built the courses for intermediates to advanced, right? So it's a place for you to actually build a skill set, all right? And that's where you want to be, because in this world of uncertainty, look where we are right now, where people don't know what to do. People just don't. They're like, oh, even look at CM. Even CM is surprised. I haven't seen CM surprised this much in a while, right?
No, I'm not surprised. I'm offended.
Offended. He's offended.
I'm
You
offended.
know what? I noted that you're offended a little bit, but I
I'm
didn't want to say
offended.
you got emotional a little bit. You got emotional.
I got emotional because I didn't get emotional with my trading. You gotta understand.
No.
I got emotional as a crypto lover.
Yeah.
You know, like I got hurt, man. What is this nonsense? It's like, in Sunday we're like, oh my God, we're going to the moon. Trump is behind us. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Then Monday come, hope, rug pull. Like, I don't know. Is it Grayscale? Is it BlackRock? Is it someone sold on the pump? Sold all his rubbish bags on the pump. It was a manipulation. They bought on Sunday.
Sure.
They sold on Monday. That's disgusting, man. And Red Pill, by the way, Red Pill, how you doing, man? Red Pill is my Twitter friend, Jomo. Me and Red Pill, we're talking on Twitter a lot.
Nice.
Yeah, he's my Twitter buddy.
Your Twitter buddy.
He's a nice guy. He's a trader. Yeah, man. ETH is rubbish. What you're saying about ETH here. ETH is rubbish. Man, we talked about ETH that is in a bear market while all the moon boys, all the moon boys are calling for alt season.
Yeah, huge lag.
By the way, Jomo, something horrible happened to ETH, man. I'm gonna show you the audience now. Something horrible happened to ETH that no one is talking about, and this is not good. Okay, this is very, very bearish. I'll show you the chart. Look, take a big chart. Coinbase, this one. Okay, so look, this, you just got a death cross on Ethereum. Okay, this is very bearish. Okay, you cannot have an alt season if Ethereum have a death cross on it. Okay, guys, wake the f up. Okay, it's not gonna happen. If Ethereum is in a death cross, not gonna happen. Now, on top of that, Jomo, we having a drop below the 200-week MA for the first time, pretty much.
The 200-week?
Week, sir. Yes, week. That's bearish as F. So for me, I think Ethereum top is in. We made a lower high this cycle, and it's dropping below the 200-week MA, sir. This is no joke, okay? This is
CM, if people are still waiting for ETH, they just don't understand markets. It's just pure hopium. Bitcoin made, all right, how much since the lows from 1720? It made 5x, all right, from the lows. ETH made, what, 2.5x, almost nothing, didn't even go to a new all-time high, nothing of the sort. ETH is just lagging. We might not see a new all-time high in ETH, maybe, I don't know, right? We might not, right?
It
right
looks
now,
like it's not.
Right now, it doesn't look good whatsoever. And again, if people were waiting on ETH, why wait? Why wait all this time? By the way, we traded ETH when it first crossed about the $2,000 mark, took a trade, made money on it, the biggest move of this market on ETH, and boom, that's it, right? We took the trade and moved on.
Look at this. Look at this, man. This breakdown could trigger a bear market, a real bear market. Now you can see this trend line was holding the support. since June 2022. Look at it. This is no joke, man. This looks like, man, Ethereum. Oh my God, this is gonna be bearish, guys. So if you don't like bear views, just call the police. This
Call the police.
look at this. This looks to me, man, like Ethereum is in a bear market, and you had just that the 2022 bear was the A leg. Now we had the B leg,
the correction phase,
the corrective phase inside a prolonged bear market for ETH that will take you below the
it will take you back to $2.
It take you below the $200 here. It will take you below, man. Ethereum, guys, Ethereum is cooked, smoked, roasted. It's dead. Ethereum is dead. Really. Don't buy ETH. Don't buy ETH, man. Don't buy ETH as long as it's below 4,000. Don't touch it. If it breaks back above 4,000, maybe. But don't touch it, man.
No, there's still a chance, right? There's always still a chance. But the fact is, what CM is saying over here is, why take a chance? Because it's a gamble on something that has no edge to it and is not looking good. The chart is, if you look at it, it looks sick. Just like we said about doctors and Röntgen and MRIs, right? The chart looks sick. That's all you need to know, okay? What you do need to look for is charts that looks good. Or, by the way, if you want to short ETH and it's sick, maybe that's a stance that you have, all right? So, again, understand the basics. The basic is that you need to trade the price action. You don't trade your hopes. You don't trade your wishes. You trade price action, okay? That's all you need to know. That's for, at least for us, right? If you're in this channel and you are not, leaning towards our strategies, so we don't have anything to share for you because maybe, I don't know, maybe you believe in some other things. This is what we believe in. We believe in trading price action.
Mr. Gloven is saying, is there still a chance with the weekly chart after this last week? Maybe the market is not ready to go to bear yet. Man, this weekly candle that we're going to close now, and obviously, I'm going to keep you posted in the community. You are our VIP. Is very, very important, the way Bitcoin will close the weekly candle. Last week we have a huge hammer, but again, you need follow through. So this week we are
no follow through. There was zero follow through.
Yet maybe we're gonna get again this week didn't close yet. Maybe you never know. But at the moment, horrible follow through. There is no follow through. So we will see how it will close the week. I'll keep you posted. Obviously next Monday with the exclusive update for the VIP. And for now, we're waiting. For now, we're waiting. But again, remember, most altcoins are in a bear market. If you open most altcoins charts below their moving averages on the daily and below a death cross. For example, Kaspa is in a bear market. We told you guys is already in a bear market for many, many months. Okay, and people still
over a year now, I think.
Hey,
over a year now.
No, but the bear market confirmation was the death cross and the price below it. So around October, September-ish, and that was the confirmed bear. So again,
we talked about it. We called it. We told you how you should, handle it. And again, it all comes back to whether you understand, price action. What do you understand charting? And I can't reiterate this enough. People think that charting and technical analysis, it's voodoo. I heard it countless times. Look, we use it in order to find opportunities. We use it in order to have great risk management, and we use it in order to evaluate assets, right? And the reason you can evaluate assets is because price action is, all right, a reflection. It's a reflection of all the decisions of all the market participants. That it's a pure, all right, reflection of the thoughts of everyone that is actually buying and selling in the market. That's why it's such an amazing tool, in our opinion, of course, right? So,
by the way, guys, smash the like, leave a comment. If you have any question, drop it now, guys. If any question, man, you want to look on chart, you want me to look on Kaspa, want me to look on XRP, whatever, drop a question or something you want. And we're gonna address it, guys. And make sure to smash the like, leave a comment.
Thank you to
Subscribe
Ede
to the
Balling.
channel.
Thank you for the comments. We love it.
TE says, what's the problem? BTC is 83,500. That's the problem, that you don't see the problem, my friend. That's the problem, man. Yeah, Bitcoin is in a serious trouble. We have tons of problems. Crypto is cooked. Unless you're a Bitcoin maxi, and you're like, okay, what's the problem, Bitcoin? And you just trade in Bitcoin. That's cool, man. Kudos. But we trade altcoins. We make our money in altcoins. And altcoins look horrible after the manipulation, and altcoins look like shit. And there is a lot of problems, man. There is a lot of problems, and people look into the other direction. And all these people that ask, oh, what's the problem? They gonna find themselves, very soon, in my opinion, being rugged completely, and all their capital is gonna disappear somehow, out of nowhere. It's just gonna disappear, man.
No, but maybe this dude TE is trying to saying, Bitcoin is still 83,500, so he's looking only at Bitcoin, right? But if you look at alts, they are 80% down from the all-time highs. So alts are definitely, under huge distribution, right? Huge distribution. So we know that. Look, again, there's no problem, because a problem is something that needs to be solved or whatever. We're not here to solve any issues, right? What we're looking at is price action to find opportunities and to overlay our ideas about what might happen. We create scenarios about different types of opportunities, and then we execute upon these scenarios. That's it. There isn't any problem. There's just paths where we can go to, and we're going to trade based on which path the market eventually decides to go. I have a boss. The one boss I have is the market, right? Whatever the market wants to do, I'm a yes man. I'm going to go with the market. I'm not going to fight the tape. I'm not going to fight the trends. I'm going to find high edge opportunities and trade them, Mr. TE. So the premise of your question is just wrong for our channel, at least.
No, it's not a question. It's just he's saying he thinks there is no problem. Bitcoin is still 83,500. All right, man. Just like the same people thought, oh, Bitcoin is above 69. In 2021, Bitcoin is 68. There is no problem. And then a week later, it was in 60. And then Bitcoin said, oh, there's no problem. Bitcoin at 60K. And then a month later, Bitcoin was at 40. And then, oh, there is no problem. Bitcoin is still above 30,000.
Yeah, you mean because of the price? They look at the price and they say, if the price is this, so it's okay, right? But what we're looking at a sick patient for now. Bitcoin is having a cough, right? And we already overlaid, all the symptoms. Couldn't stay above the $100,000, fake out inauguration, repricing after a fake fluff announcement of Trump. So many, many, many different ways to approach, what we're looking at. And again, TE, that's our approach. That's how we view things, okay? And there's nothing wrong about having different views. That's up to you. This is what we think. This is what we believe. And we operate based on, our own premises. What else do we have? We have the big mouth Rob saying something about, don't they have to install the programs? I don't get this question. Big mouth Rob.
He says XRP is garbage. Well, yeah, actually XRP is...
On what? On what premise? Garbage fundamentals? We don't talk about it. Garbage price action? What? I mean, what exactly is he trying to say?
Actually, if you look at all the altcoins, XRP is one of the best ones currently. When we're talking about price action, we don't care about fundamentals and all the other nonsense. We care about price action and liquidity as well. This coin has tons of liquidity. I don't think it's garbage. Again, I think his premise and all the things they say they're gonna do with the banks, this is garbage. Yeah, of course. But
maybe, yeah, I get it.
The coin itself, the chart itself, when it's ready, when it's breaking out, when it's in an uptrend, is amazing coin. But it's not happening a lot. It's not happening.
Oh man, I don't even care about all that. Look, you say XRP is garbage. I call the entire industry crapto because for me, the mindset is that all these things just don't have anything that is charming to me because I just want to trade them. XRP was tradable back in November. CM, we showed our trades. We traded it to the long side. I actually, in my community, we took a short on XRP, a beautiful short, all the way from the 2.5 all the way down to the roughly 2 area. So we made money on that. We closed it. Beautiful, right? That's all we need to know, okay? That's all we need to know. Can we trade it or can we not trade it? And I sound like a broken record many times. Many people probably like scratching their heads. Why is Jomo reiterating stuff so much? Because this is the mindset, right? This is the job. This is how I think as a trader. Okay, I don't try to overcomplicate things. I just do the KISS, acronym. Keep it simple, stupid. That's all. Okay. We are all retail traders here. No one here has a multi-million-dollar funds or over that. We're all retail traders, and we need to trade as retail traders. And we need to have the mindset of a retail trader. That's it. That's my point eventually over all these lives.
What? So do you guys do the first run? Are you talking about XRP?
XRP. Yeah, XRP probably.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we bought the breakout of 66 cents, man. I'll show you.
CM bought the 66.
I'll show you, man. I nailed this motherfucker.
Yeah, CM nailed it from the inception. Our community, we actually took it from 1.16.
Look at that, man. Look at that. That's the XRP. Okay. We actually bought it on the nose, 666. You see, that
show them maybe the thing, CM.
Oh,
show them the thing.
Do they see it?
Yeah, they see the chart.
Okay. Oh, that's okay. That's the chart, man. It's okay for now, man. Much better. Okay, so look, we bought it, man, on the 666. You can see we've been waiting for this resistance to be broken. Okay, that was here, 666. 666, okay, that's what our first entry. We bought here, big bag, and then we added on the break above 75 right here to this new high. So we added here, man. We added here, and we pretty much played mainly XRP, okay. After this move, we added more here on the bull flag, right here, okay. And right here, we added more all the way up, and then we closed it here completely. Okay, here or somewhere around here, we got stopped out, whatever. Okay, but we've been pyramid trading into it, and this trade is responsible for most of my gains in the end of 2024 and in 2025. Most of my gains, this trade, that was the XRP trade. So you really, guys, what you need to find is just a trade that will make you a lot of money and just play aggressive on this trade.
Trade an edge. That's what we say. If you trade an edge and you're concentrated in that edge, you can make multiple of your accounts over a couple of years, right? Sometimes even in 1 year, okay? And CM showed them maybe the chart, the things I'm showing over here. I didn't get in as early as CM, but in our community, all right, we took 2 beautiful trades and then on from the bull flag on XRP, right? CM, can you share please the screen?
One second.
All right. Oh, people can't see it. All right, beautiful. So as people can see over here, this is from November 21st, all right? I told people to start with a 10% capital in the first entry and double it on the second entry. So we had a 20% of our account in this position, all right? That's a big ass account. If you make 100% move on a 20% of your account, you make 20%, okay? You make 20% on one trade. That's the beauty of concentration. When you have concentration and you know how to utilize it, when you know how to put that on specific edges, that's how you move the needle in your account. You don't need to buy the dips in hope. You don't need to buy, DEX coins and hope they make a 20x, and usually it'll be a rug pull eventually. You need to be smart. You need to have a skill set, and you need to find ways to tilt that edge ever slightly in your favor and understand how to utilize the numbers of, the statistical numbers in your favor. Okay, that's what you want to be doing, and we do it over time. And again, all this that is happening right now, Trump this, Trump that, all that for me, it's just noise, right? Because it doesn't help.
Look at the XRP trade, man. This is the trade I'm showing them. Do you see it?
Yeah, show it. Yeah, we see it. Now it's small. Big. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect.
That's from November 12. Okay, you can see that's the breakout. Buy the break above 666, boom, and then we had this trade, the add-on from November 12. We bought more at 69, man.
Beautiful trades, yeah. Beautiful
And
trades.
then we bought more. Look at this one from on 112. Just like when you entered, boom, the bull flag,
Yeah.
112 area, and then more, man, more and more and more.
Yeah, you nailed this from the peak bottom. I salute you. This was one of your best trades
The
that
best
I
trade,
can remember.
best trade of 20 of the second half of 2024 and the first part of 2025. The only trade that was better than XRP for me in 2024 was Turbo breakout
Oh
on the
yeah.
0.015 melt up insanity.
Yeah, you can show that too. And look, we nailed these trades over and over, as CM said. We nailed as well the TRX trade, the Tron trade, right? That made a double in a day, right? We had OM trades. Look, we had just multiple trades because we understand how to tilt the edge in our favor. That's what we do. And guys, if this is something that interests you, right, and you want to become part of the community, you don't have to, right? If you just want to come to lives and you want to support us, a free way to support us, hey, give us a like, retweet, post this, share the love for us, for this to go to more and more avenues so we can, share the knowledge. You can do that. It's free of charge. You can do it right now. Give us a like, share and everything. But if you want to take your skill set to the next level, you can definitely do that, right? Either just by following us or by actually getting into a coaching program by us. That's precisely what you do. And what you can do is you can scan the QR code in the upper left side over here, scan it. It will take you to our website, and you will be able to choose any tier that you want. Either it's my VIP, my trades, CM's VIP, CM trades, whatever you want to do. And you can get a 3-day trial as well to go over what we do, understand our value. We do that for you to take advantage of these 3 days and actually go over the things so you can see that we walk the walk, all right, and don't just talk the talk. Again, scan the QR code in the upper left side, go to our website, check it out, for yourself. And of course, as CM said, you have a 20% off because you come to our lives, and we appreciate that, right? We appreciate the fact that you come for our lives. So here is a discount for all of you if you wish. And again, a free way, like, subscribe, smash that bell, because you don't want to miss these lives, CM, right?
Yeah, man. And yeah, Mr. Glovan saying Tao was amazing trade too. Yeah,
For sure, for
Mr.
sure.
Glovan is a VIP for life.
And by the way, we nailed shorts right now. So people, if you don't know how to short and you want to take advantage of shorts, I think me and CM are probably one of the only 1% that teach how to short in the crypto market. People don't try to short whatsoever. For some reason, they neglect this edge. I understand it sounds complicated, but the beauty of it is when shorts work, they work beautifully. I had a 68% win rate in February. That's very high. And it's only because I understood that shorts are about to work, and they nailed it. Okay. I mean, the shorts themselves. So if that's something that interests you, of course, you should definitely check us out. We love to share the alpha.
Yeah, man. If
What
a
else do we have,
person
CM?
don't know, hey,
No, continue. Sorry.
if a person don't know how to short in 2025 and 2026, man, they are gonna lose a lot of money. And they're gonna lose a lot of opportunity, because I think the best trade, the mega trades for the next while, in my opinion, for altcoins, the mega trades will be to the short side, because they're all in a bear market. They're all bear. They're bearish. They're bearish. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. If the trend is bearish, short it. Don't accumulate. Don't be a moron listening to all the Alex Becker or all the other moon boys from the toilet telling you to buy AI coins or buy gaming coins now or buy meme coins, because you're gonna lose all your money. You are gonna lose all your money if you're buying downtrends.
Better stay in
Don't buy.
cash.
Hey,
Better stay in cash than follow pics of influencers.
or if you like trading crypto, short it. Okay,
Okay,
it's
yeah,
the
for
same.
sure.
It's the
Yeah,
same. You just make money on a coin going down instead of
yeah.
making money on a coin going up, right? Like you know how to do. You short it, and then you make money on the coin going down. Okay.
Exactly. It's not complicated. It's not as
It's
complicated
not.
as people think, but you need to know how to do it because it does have more of an upside risk to it. So you must use stops. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how many of you are listening by now, but if you don't have risk management, if you don't use stop losses, stop trading until you start utilizing these tactics that will save your account of being blown out eventually. Okay, because maybe some of you bought some dips in the beginning and you feel like a genius and whatever. Maybe you're still in profit. I don't even know any of you, right? But the fact is that one day, I don't know when, I'm not calling it for now. You know my views about midterm and long term. One day the fat lady is going to stop singing and your account is going to be blown to ashes. So utilize risk management, utilize tactics that help you with risk management, and of course utilize tactics to know when to be aggressive and when to actually take the opportunities. Both sides are equally important, with risk management actually being the priority, I would think. What do you think, Siam?
Yeah, man.
We
Absolutely.
good?
Totally agree.
Yeah.
Guys, if you have any questions, drop them now because we're going to wrap it up soon, man.
Yeah, I need to go in like 3 minutes. That's it. So
Three
if you have
minutes?
questions, do it now.
Yeah. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, leave a comment, click the bell so you not miss all the lives, and we'll see you in the next video.